Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel STEM Maths with Asif. So friends, before starting the video, I request you press the like button and share it with your friends and other students. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos and updates. So you can find playlist on the channel where you can browse other videos based on the different topics of the mathematics. Right, since the channel is new, so I am uploading the videos on different section, so it will take some time, but definitely I will cover all the topics and their fundamentals here. So if you like it, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start it. So here today I will talk about basic fundamentals of the probability. So here especially, I will cover experiment, random experiment, then their examples, trial, what is sample space, events with the examples. Then I will talk about simple event, compound event, certain or sure event, impossible event. Then I will give the example. Then I will move on. Then I will talk about complement of event, union of two events, then intersection of two events, equally likely events, then their examples. So all these topic I will cover in this video. So video may be bit lengthy, so please be patient and listen and watch the video carefully so that you should not skip the relevant points. तो यहाँ पर तो सिर्फ मैं फंडामेंटल कवर कर रहा हूँ. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी के बारे में बात करूँगा. आई विल डिस्कस द प्रोबेबिलिटी इन डिटेल, क्योंकि एक वीडियो में सब चीज़ कवर करने से वीडियो लंबी हो जाती है. सो आई एम अवॉइडिंग टू डू दिस. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. सो let's see the definition of the experiment. It's any experiment. So how do we define the experiment? An experiment is a procedure carried out to support or reject hypothesis. So this is simple definition. You can check it anywhere, that is not the problem. Now look at the random experiment. This is relevant in our discussion. So you see it is experiment which I showed the definition above, but here are 2 points we need to keep in mind. Such experiment means random experiment may have more than one possible outcomes. Outcomes are not certain here. Fun thing. Second thing, you cannot predict the outcomes in advance. So I will give you the example, then you will understand where do we come across this such random experiment. So please read it. It has more than one possible outcome, first thing, and second thing, the outcomes cannot be predicted in advance. Now see the example, and examples are these are practical example which we come across. For example, tossing a coin. When we tossing an unbiased coin, so outcomes are not certain. It can be head or tail, so it could be any of the outcomes. So this is the meaning of the random experiment here. Now see the next example, rolling an unbiased die. So we know a die has 6 faces, so any of the face may come up. So this is also the random experiment, and this you can take the drawing of a card from the pack of 52 playing cards. So that is you can draw any of the card out of 52 playing cards. तो यहाँ पर भी ये certainty नहीं है. Such experiments are called random experiment. So hope you understand. Now look at the definition of the random experiment together with the example. Then you would appreciate it. Okay, if you don't follow anything here which I am talking about, just pause the video and read what is there on the screen. Still you don't follow, then please repeat the video, then you will get it definitely. Anyways, because things are technical, so you need to be focused here. If you don't follow, repeat the video, then you will get it. Now let's see the next definition is a trial. So when you toss a coin, that process is called a trial. You would have come across trial in the cricket match. देखा होगा आपने, umpire toss करता है, so that is called trial. So in our case, tossing a coin, throwing a die, drawing a card out of 52 playing cards, these are trials. So simple definition hai, just have a look. of the trial, right? Because these are the building blocks of the probability. We should know what is trials, what is random experiment, and the topics which I am going to cover, right? And this is, the domain where the probability, right, is defined. So what is it? It is a set of all possible outcome of an experiment. So set is a mathematical term. It has its own definition, right? So you should know the definition of a set, or you can call this as collection of all possible outcomes of an experiment. So this experiment actually is a random experiment, right? It's called sample space. It is a random experiment in case of probability. So we call this a sample space or outcome space, right, of the experiment, and it is denoted by a capital alphabet S. So we use this letter to denote the sample space. To know its definition is very important, right? Now let's check out the another definition, that is called event. तो ना कौन कौन सी मैंने डेफिनेशन आपसे बात कर लिया? रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, देन आई टॉक्ड अबाउट ट्रायल, देन आई टॉक्ड अबाउट राइट सैंपल स्पेस, एंड नाउ सी दिस इवेंट्स. Again, you see it's a set of outcomes, right, of an random experiment with certain characteristic. So it's a part of the sample space actually. It's called an event, right? And this, satisfying with certain characteristics is known as outcome favorable to the event. Meaning, you are having some points in the sample space, then this is the part of the sample space, because sample space itself is a collection of the outcomes of the random experiment. Similarly, event is also the right collection of the outcomes of the random experiment, but with certain characteristic. So I will give you the example, then you would appreciate what is the meaning of the event. For example, if you look at this first example here, right, if you toss two coins, right, two coins are being tossed, then let's assume E be the event of getting at least one head. ठीक है, तो उसमें एक हेड होना चाहिए आउटकम्स में. तो अब आप देखेंगे, सबसे पहले हम इसके सैम्पल स्पेस की बात करेंगे. तो सैम्पल स्पेस में बिकॉज टू कॉइन्स आर बीन टॉस्ड, तो यू हैव दीज आउटकम्स ऑफ द रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, राइट. इवेंट क्या है? इट शुड हैव एटलीस्ट वन हेड. तो हमें वो आउटकम्स यहाँ से सेलेक्ट करने हैं जिसमें कम से कम एक हेड होना चाहिए. तो काउंट 1 2 3, no head, so I will avoid it. At least one का मतलब more than one head भी चलेगा, right? So that is the meaning of the event. Hope you understand this, right? So in this way you can appreciate the definition of the events. Now let's move on, right? Now see the another example. Now here we are rolling a die. Event को हम मान लेते हैं कि उसमें एक odd number होना चाहिए, right? तो then write the sample space. सबसे पहले sample space लिखना ज़रूरी है to know how many outcomes are there or elements are there. You see, there are 6 total outcomes of the random experiment of throwing a die, right? So event कितना होना चाहिए कि odd होना चाहिए. तो you see 1 2 3, sorry, this one 3. So I repeat again, 1 2 3, these are the events 1 3 5. So see the condition and that will come the event. So these are the two examples to make you understand regarding the event, right? Please pause the video and read, then you will get it. मैं थोड़ा तेज़ चलूँगा, अदरवाइज राइट टॉपिक्स कवर नहीं होंगे, वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी. एनीवे, सो नाउ let's see the another example of the event. So here now, right, we are considering the rolling of two dice. Die is the singular and dice, right, is the plural of the die. ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पर two dice are being thrown. तो event हम मान लेते हैं कि sum 10 होना चाहिए. Sum 10, this is the event. Event की definition क्या है? This is the set of the outcome space with certain characteristics. तो characteristics यहाँ पर क्या है? A sum of 10. तो अब आप sample space लिखेंगे two dice का, right? So this is the sample space of the two dice. You just pause the video and check it. This is the sample space. So out of this sample space we have to select a sum of 10. So when you find the sum of 10, you see this will be only 3 elements. You find 1 2 and 3. Otherwise you don't find anywhere the outcomes which have the sum of 10, right? So I'm writing this event as. So I discuss now 3 examples. One is this based on, right, coin. Another is, right, rolling a die, right, and this is rolling of 2 dice altogether. So 3 examples I discussed to make you understand regarding the events. Okay, now let's see the simple event. सिंपल मीन सिंपल, सिर्फ एक ही आउटकम होना चाहिए, है ना, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए यहाँ पर। तो सिंपल इवेंट। नाउ यू सी एन इवेंट दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ सिंगल आउटकम of an experiment is called a simple event, right? So if you take this example of rolling a die, then 2 is the simple event. It's for the sake of example I'm writing, you can take any of the example, no problem, where you have simple event, right? Now compound, more than one, right? More than one, you see, when you have this more than one point, then that will be the compound event. The example means this is the compound because it contains more than one outcome, or right, simple points. So in this way we define the compound event. Now let's talk about the another event called as certain or sure events. So when we see this certain or sure events, right, so this is the subset of itself, means the sample space, right, will be called as the certain events, right, if it is subset of itself, right, means वो sample space ही होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना, तो वो आपके सर्टेन इवेंट्स होंगे, सारे आउटकम्स उसके अंदर होने चाहिए। दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सर्टेन इवेंट्स। नाउ अपोजिट टू इट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, यानी ये एक ऐसा इवेंट होगा जिसमें सैम्पल स्पेस का आउटकम होंगे ही नहीं, है ना। नाउ प्लीज रीड द डेफिनेशन। एन इवेंट विच डज नॉट कंटेन एनी आउटकम ऑफ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कॉल्ड एन इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट, एंड दिस इज डोनेटेड बाय 5। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं क्वेश्चंस करूंगा, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस। इस वीडियो में सिर्फ मुझे फंडामेंटल कवर करना है। सो राइट, यू रीड इट। नाउ सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ द इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट। सपोज यू आर रोलिंग अ डाई, सो वी नो डाई contains only 6 faces from 1 to 6. There is no 7. So if suppose 7 is there, so it is impossible event. 7 है again. So that is the meaning of impossible event. Hope you understand, right? Events. So event means what? It is the set of outcomes of the sample space with certain characteristic, right? That is the meaning. Now let's talk about some operation in event. So I will consider here the operations, right, of the set theory. So this is the application part of the set theory which will be used here, है ना। सेट थ्योरी में पढ़ते हैं ना कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालते हैं किसी सेट का, तो ऐसी इवेंट भी तो एक सेट ही फॉर्म करता है ना, तो उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी निकाल सकते हैं। तो वो कैसे निकालेंगे, ये इसको हम यहाँ देखेंगे। सो इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय राइट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इन दिस वे। दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ए बार और ए डैश। इन दिस वे वी डिफाइन दम, राइट। ओके, एंड आई विल शो यू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल, राइट। सो अगर सपोज ए इज द इवेंट, देन द कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी इट्स राइट दिस, द आउटकम्स विच यू सी हियर विल नॉट बी हियर, ठीक है ना। यानी जो ए के आउटकम्स हैं वो यहाँ पर नहीं होने चाहिए। दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट। यू सी, सपोज दिस इज योर इवेंट, देन द कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी दिस, ये वाले आउटकम छोड़ गए सारे। सो दिस विल बी योर राइट कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द इवेंट। इट इज वी कैन लर्न बाय द वेन डायग्राम। सो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट, रिगार्डिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट, यानी ये एलिमेंट्स यहाँ नहीं होने चाहिए। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट। दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इट इज रिटन हियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज यूनियन ऑफ टू इवेंट्स। तो यहाँ पर क्या है, दिस इज द ऑपरेशन। सो व्हेन एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ लैंग्वेज यू सी इन द क्वेश्चन, देन वी टेक द यूनियन। एटलीस्ट वाले केस में यूनियन आता है, वी आर कंबाइनिंग बोथ द इवेंट्स। तो अगर राइट एक भी इवेंट होता, दैट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द यूनियन, है ना। तो उसको हम ऐसे लिखते हैं। सो यू सी, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आती है सेट्स के टर्म्स में, टेक द हेल्प ऑफ द वेन डायग्राम टू अप्रिशिएट दैट। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन। सो आई होप नाउ, राइट, टिल यूनियन ऑफ द टू इवेंट्स यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर, राइट। सो नाउ आई विश टू डिस्कस फ्यू मोर operations in the probability. Now next is, since I discussed before the union, now this is the intersection. So when we talk about the intersection, we talk about the common points of the events. These are the common area. So it is called intersection, right? So now see some remark that is very interesting, and in fact you can call them as an example based on the right operations. So see, if A and B are two events of a sample space S, then how to talk about only A occurs. We are having two events minded of the same sample space, so only A occurs. Yani B should not occur. That is the meaning. B should not occur, only A occurs. So you see yellow region. That is the being talked about. Yellow region means A should happen, but B should not happen. ये होना नहीं चाहिए, तो आई मीन वी आर टेकिंग द कॉमन. सो व्हेन यू टेक कॉमन, सो दिस विल बी ए इंटरसेक्शन, राइट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ बी. सो दिस विल बी दिस रीजन ओनली. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आई ये बात, जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो एंड राइट रिपीट इट अगेन. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली एट लीस्ट वन ऑफ देम occurs. So again we are talking about the union. That is what I mean. I was talking while I was talking about the right remark. मैं यहाँ पे बता रहा था ना आपको ये चीज़ यहाँ पर, I mean यूनियन वाले केस में एटलीस्ट राइट वन शुड अकर. सो वो सेम चीज़ यहाँ पर आ गई, एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ दम राइट शुड अकर. सो दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूनियन ईयर. तो इन दोनों की बात हो रही है. नाइदर ऑफ दम राइट अकर, दैट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ बी एंड देयर इंटरसेक्शन. तो इसमें दोनों नहीं अकर होंगे, है ना. सो जहाँ कॉमन की बात है कि वी यूज़ दिस इंटरसेक्शन, अदरवाइज वी यूज़ यूनियन. So hope you understand right in the regarding the operation of the events. Now next let's talk about the equally likely events. So equally likely, first thing I mean should keep in mind, we have here more than one event. यहाँ पर हमारे पास में more than one event है. So you see read, two or more events are said to be equally likely if each has the same chance of occurrence. Right, for example, in a rolling an unbiased die, right, all the 6 faces are equally likely. Tossing of a coin, all the 2 faces are equally likely. Drawing a card, all the 52 cards are equally likely. कोई भी आ सकता है. That is the meaning of right equally likely. ठीक है ना. So now next is the mutually exclusive. I think this is the last topic which I am covering in this video. Yes, it is the last. So mutually exclusive events. 2 or more events of a sample space. Again, we are talking about more than one events are said to be mutually exclusive if their union is the sample space. यानी अगर आपके पास में n इवेंट्स हैं, ठीक है ना, किसी सैम्पल स्पेस के और रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट के, जब आप इन सबके यूनियन ले लोगे तो वो ऐसा आना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता है तब हम उसको म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव बोलते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड राइट हियर. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल डिस्कस फर्दर टॉपिक्स ऑन द प्रोबेबिलिटी, राइट. So stay tuned with the channel, stay connected with this channel. I request you again, please press like button, share this video with your friends and other students. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos and updates. I'm leaving now. I will meet you again in the next video. By then, bye bye, take care, thank you.